if you hear me. Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we're snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the police can't blame me, and maybe we can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up, looking down the barrel of a 9, get up.
Hi there and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Rochelle. If you are new here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below. Or as per usual, if you haven't done it already, girl, what is you waiting on? Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys one of my recent pickups from Brianna Blackwood. So let's just go ahead and get right into this video. I'm just sitting here thinking, and I'm like, I have never shared with you guys my handbag collection. That may be in a video, just so I can show you guys what I have. My very first Brianna Blackwood, which is actually a birthday present last year. Shout out to my girl Shell, and she got me the mini key. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that correctly, but she got me that. I'll insert a photo of what it looks like here in that beautiful like light pink color. Very neutral because it's not like super pinky, so I'm able to wear it as often as I would love to. Very neutral bag, so I love it. Actually, I saw an ad on Instagram, and that was the reason that I was like, oh, let me go ahead and check out Brianna Blackwood for myself. He was having his spring collection launch, so I was like, let me see what it's talking about. And there was one in particular, y'all, that I was just like, oh, it's the perfect like springy, summery like bag, and I was just like, oh, I have to have that one. The day that it launched, I was on there, I was like, check out, and it was a quick and seamless process. And I looked recently, and this one is sold out, so I'm kind of glad that I kind of hopped on it. If you are interested in purchasing this, I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description box down below. They still have the black one, so if you're interested in a similar silhouette, I'll include that below for you too as well. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. I am a huge sucker for packaging, and just the way in which this was presented, y'all. It's this beautiful like white box with the lid. I'll show you guys the logo. So on here you see it says Brianna Blackwood, New York. It's just like a really sleek box. Honestly, I still have the other one in the closet, like with a few of my other boxes, just kind of like on display. This one is a larger box than the one that I have, obviously, because that one was the mini Kui. This bag, the mini Kui didn't come, but this one came like padded. So like there's padding around like where the bag actually goes. And if you work retail and you know like nice bags are coming in shipment, this is typically how they're sent. So Brandon, I was definitely impressed, okay? The inside of the box has like Brianna Blackwood, New York, just kind of like all over, which I think is pretty cool. And it comes in a dust bag, which I absolutely love, because quite often I've had to reuse dust bags from like old bags that I don't have, that I gave away or sold, just to kind of keep some of my new bags safe. And so I was very happy that it actually came with one. Inside of the box, it does come with like your shipping receipt with all of the information, and it does come with like this beautiful Brianna Blackwood card. And it reads, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece. Can't wait to see how you style it. 2022 Brianna Blackwood." So a little bit of personalization there, which I think is very important for any brand. So the one that I have is called the Madison bag in white. It is a pretty decent size, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and open it so we can all see. And y'all, she is gorgeous. Obviously the Brianna Blackwood kind of like metal logo here, and we'll go into like the specifics in a minute. The white parts are leather, 100% cowhide leather, and the fabric here is linen. It isn't like raffia, but it's designed to kind of mimic the raffia look, and I styled it with a raffia hat. I'll insert a photo of it here. I was actually wearing this shirt too. So I styled it, and I did purchase some shoes that I think will go really, really good with this. The only downside to it, and I would have been mad if it was gold because I don't think it would have went well, the hardware is silver. Not a big deal because it's not super noticeable. It is very deep. It's very spacious. I'll show you guys also what fits in a minute too as well. And it's lined with 100% micro suede. This is what she looks like up close. And I didn't adjust the belt. It actually came belted already into the very last hole, which I think is perfect because it just gives it just enough to like carry and not that it looks like tight and funny and weird. So this one is priced at $275, and y'all already spend y'all money with YSL and Gucci and all those other places, so why not support Black business? Y'all, this bag is truly amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys all what fits in here. There's also like an inside zipper and like a separate pocket. So this is the pocket, and then inside like you see the zipper as well. And for reference, I have the 13 Pro Max. So that fits seamlessly. I'm just gonna stuff it with like a bunch of things. My work phone, my wallet, my lotion, my lip gloss, my chapstick, my keys, and you guys see like there's still a little bit of space if I wanted to add more things on the inside. Obviously this is just kind of like what I typically carry. So here she is. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one.